Hello everyone, this is Mr. Singh from Kingsville ISD. I will be sharing some tips and tricks for parents and students to sign up in Google Classroom. Today I'll be covering what is Google Classroom, why Google Classroom is important in today's time, and what you're learning is a very important component of Classroom today. So we need to learn how to use Google Classroom, how to log in, how to look at assignments, and different other options. So let's go to my PowerPoint very quick. So welcome to KIST, Google Classroom training for parents and students. What is a Google Classroom? Google Classroom is a class organization platform that incorporates Google's core G Suite. Those are Google Docs, Sheets, Slide, Drive, other Google products. So your student can access everything they need to do for a class. And we'll go through those. I will show you in a minute. How do you set up a Google Classroom? Your kid will get an email invite from their parent with a link or a code, and they can join a class. They will be directed to the class.google.com where they will log in, either use the school created email account or their personal email account. At KIST, we prefer they use the school created account. I will be showing you that also on my Google Classroom. Can you use Google Classroom at home? Yes, students can use Google Classroom anywhere, even including their phone. They can download the Google Classroom app. Can I communicate with my child's teacher through Google Classroom? Yes, if your child's teacher wants you to use Google Classroom for communication, they will send you an invitation. After accepting, you will receive updates directly from them, and then which will include some information, and you will be able to communicate with your teacher. So I am going to go to now my Google page. Okay, so this is my page. So KIST Google Classroom, Sukhbir Singh, Dean of Education. I'm going to minimize my recording so you can see it. On the very right, you see there's a Google account. There's my email. There are Google Apps, these dots here, it's called Waffle. This is Google Apps. So if you click on it, you'll be able to see all the applications available to us through Google G Suite. There's a setting button if there is something needs to be changed. So this is my page. This is teacher's page actually. This will look like classroom, people, and the grades the teacher will save for you. Let's go to the student side of the page. So this is the student side of the page. So I'll show you how I will add you to this class. So let's say I want you to add to this class. There is a code, and that's the code teachers will send you. And then when the teacher sends you this code, you should have a logged in account here. Like I have, this is my different account. But if you click on your create and join, this plus sign right here, plus sign, and join, and then you type in your Google code, the join will highlight on the right top corner. If you click on it, in few minutes, it's going to bring that class on your screen. So this is now your class, and other information from the teacher's page is not there because you cannot share that the code with other friends, or you can, but classmates only. So here on the left side now, this is very important for you to see. If you click on that, let's go back again. See those lines, 3 lines, main menu. If you click on that, you will have all your class periods, period 1, period 2, and this is my different class. So these are 3 classes I created to show it to you. Then you also have a to-do list. If you click on your to-do list, then you will know what is due this week, and what is due next week. You can click on that in the later. So these are the lessons you say, it says tomorrow, 11:59, Wednesday 11:59, then Wednesday 11:59. So this is what is due to you. Now, to assess this, I'm going to jump on this as I'm here. You will click on it. It will take you to this page. You will click on your assignment. You finish it and submit. Or on the right side here, you can add or create. So let's say I want to add my lesson. I've taken a picture of my work or I have a file. So I will click on the file. I can do docs, slides, sheets, drawing, anything I want to do, load it from my drive. That's a Google Drive. But if I go to my files and then I click here, it allows me to go to my drive, which I can pick any lesson from here, or it can go to the upload. And when you do the upload, basically these files are saved in your desktop or your computer. So if you click on one of these, let's say you want to click on this JPEG, is loading, is 138.1 kilobytes. And once it's loaded, you will click turn in. And then once you turn in, teacher will be able to see that. Okay. I can also add thanks, Mr. Singh, and then it will save my comment also in my comment box. So that is the teacher part. So student part. So let's go back to the classrooms again. Let's say we go to period 2. So on here, I want to show you that you have a stream, you have a classwork, and I only saved one quiz in this page. But look on the left side, you see all topics. So these are the topics you have. These are the students you have in your classroom. So I don't have any students here. So this page, this class created. But if I go to my other class and I look at the people, you also notice that these two are not highlighted, or they are gray, but these are highlighted or colored. That means these are not submitted yet. So one is once your work is posted, this you can see that they become gray. Click on view your work. You can see all your work here, and you see this work is missing because it was due today. And so you can look, you have an answer, this question. You go here, and now if you see that you can type your answer here, I just made up, did you finish the quiz? So I just made up a question for you. Yes. Okay. And then turn it in. So once you turn in, there you go. And now if we go back to that page, you will see that in that classwork, your viewer, and then look, yes, and thanks, and it's turned in. So this is assigned, these are assigned, and this is turned in, and there is your response. You also have returned. Sometimes teachers send back to you, and then you will see under return. If there is missing, you can click on the missing, or you can click on your assigned. One more thing I want to share with you is, yeah, click on your to-do list, and then you will see on the top also assigned, missing, or done. So these assignments are done, they're turned in. This was last week, so you can also see what was last week, and then you can see what was done early. So these are turned in. So this is all about your Google Classroom. Make sure that you are signed up and go through this. The calendar is another good option, guys. When you open your calendar, it shows your work by date. So students never miss the work if you you just go to your calendar and look at what work is assigned rather than going through the big list of works. I hope you guys learn from it. I will be posting this video on our social media page. Please click on it and watch and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. We'll see you